It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. Give me one no broke.
I received a package while I was gone. Yo. No way he sent me a film camera. Yo. Wow. It says, Luis, here's a small token of my great appreciation for what you've done for me and the skate community. Big love to you, brother. Jaime Favela. P.S. I gotta plan a visit soon. Wow. Thank you, Jaime. Amazing. I've never had a 8mm film camera. It works. Wow. Thank you, Jaime. Wow. This is amazing.
This is 47th 50th Street, Rockefeller Center. Transfer is available to the D, D, and F trains. This is
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you someone I met in Canada last year, and it's one of the greatest souls, the happiest. She makes me feel happy every time.
Hi everyone!
That's Arezoo. She's an amazing business owner. How do you call it? Recruiter. And just an overall amazing human being. So, quick question. Do you have any advice for the future generations or people who are on some quest?
Definitely. That is my favorite question because don't let this disguise actually fool you. I have so much in me, and I always love to share it with the younger generation. Never ever leave anything for tomorrow. Today is the day. If you have something planned, make sure you do it today because tomorrow has its own things. You never know what's going to be around the corner. You never know what's going to happen to you. Did we know that one day we're going to get COVID and the whole borders are going to close down? We're going to be sitting at home doing stuff? No, we never knew that. So my biggest advice to the younger generation, do everything that you're supposed to do today. And even if you have stuff that are planned for tomorrow, if you have the time today, do it today. Because I think tomorrow is another day and you don't know what's going to happen to you.
I love it. Dear Arezoo, thank you so much. Thank you for being friend of mine. And can you show me what I got you?
I'm going to show you guys. Look at what he got me. Yes. Oh my God. It's from the Olympics of 2024. Remember, skateboarding just came into the category and we've got even the stamp. I love it. Thank you, Louis.
My pleasure.